employers are figuring out that there's a direct link between people's financial stability and their productivity at work. Allow me to briefly explain why investing in your key people and workforce makes good business sense for your organization. By sponsoring a financial education program, you can improve the overall financial well-being of your executives and employees, and in return, improve their performance. The benefits to you include improving employee morale and retention, increasing 401k contributions to help meet your company's ERISA requirements, assisting employees in better understanding their benefits, and creating a positive image of your company as an employer of choice. At the same time, the employee receives much-needed financial education, becoming empowered to help themselves, and they build confidence and reduce stressful distractions while at work. Contact me today to learn more about this turnkey program that your workforce will benefit from for years to come. Best of all, it's virtually hassle-free to coordinate, and there will be no solicitation of your employees and no recommendation of specific investment products at any time. I look forward to assisting you improve the lives of your team and their families. My name is Natalie Chiardi, Certified Financial Planner and Educator at Hall Private Wealth Advisors in Solana Beach.